Hello, today I'm going to show you how to build for VR in Unity. So first you want to make sure you're using Unity version 2021 or 2022. I'm using 2022. Make sure you build it for Android and make sure you have all the SDKs needed. Because this is an Android device, I am using a Quest 2. And then what you're going to want to do is download this package. Go to Package Manager. Look for the XR packages. Make sure you have these packages installed here. These four. And then what you're going to want to do is go to Project Settings. And go down here to XR Plugin Management. And right here you'll have a list of some devices you want to click on. And I clicked on Oculus 2, Quest 2. And then it should pop up some more settings that would look just like this window here. Target devices, Quest 1, Quest 2. Yeah, so look around through those settings, make sure everything's correct. And next we're going to want to do is download the desktop app, the Oculus desktop app, and the mobile app, which you probably should have already done when setting up your VR for the first time. And then what you're going to want to do is connect your VR to your PC, wirelessly or wired. I would prefer wired. Most new computers have the new USB slot, so you can plug that right in, plug in your VR. And next thing you're going to want to do is go to the mobile app. Once you set up your VR, go to the mobile app, and then once your VR is connected and your mobile phone can read the VR, you're going to select the device, go to settings, headset settings, and then you're going to click on developer mode. And then once you click on that, it's going to prompt you to make an organization. This is where you would go to publish your VR games to the store and set up a team and all that. So first you're going to have to make an organization, and then the next steps it'll let you do. And then the computer will read your VR, and Unity will be able to read your VR. So once you do all that, you will go back to Unity, go to build settings, and then once you set up your device and everything, you should be able to see your device here under run device, which I don't have my Quest 2 plugged in yet, but I'm going to plug it in right now. I'm going to turn it on. And then once you do that, if you turn on their Quest 2 with the computer plugged in, it should have a message asking you to allow files. Make sure you click that. Allow those files to go through. So make sure you have the device fully on. Not just plugged in, but plugged in and on. And there it is. Refresh a few times, make sure you see it. Select your device. And then once you build your game, you would go to build and run. And once that's done building, it will automatically start playing it on your headset on the Quest 2. And then it'll have a message asking you to allow. Make sure you allow everything. and then you should be good to go after that. So if this tutorial helped you out, give me a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe. It'd be really much appreciated. And thank you, everyone.